Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for those that are hesitant to move on to version 94, well, one of the things that you should know is that it fixes 19 security flaws. So, of course, there are some bug fixes within each version of Google Chrome, and that is something that you usually have every version because there are some bugs here and there that people report. But there are some security updates, and so 19 security fixes that go from high to medium to low severity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high severity problems, which means that they are easy to exploit, which means they might already be exploited in the wild. So make sure that you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner, help and about Google Chrome to see if you have updated to 94. Once again, it's automatic. A lot of people say, well, why isn't this automatic? It is automatic if you use Chrome at some point within 24 to 48 hours. Most people probably are updated to this automatically, but it's not a bad idea to just check it out to make sure that you stay safe. So 5 high severity are in there, 19 total in their security flaws. So shows how important it is to update the browser. Once again, this is your first line of defense. You are watching the web, you're going on web pages. Content on the web pages could technically be designed to introduce malware or hijack your computer in some way. And of course, they can't do this without having some help. And the help usually they have is using those security flaws. So by actually updating to the latest version, you are actually making sure you are as safe as possible. It is the number one thing to do with not just the operating system, but any software you have, including your web browser. So check it out and fix those 19 security flaws by updating to Google Chrome 94.0.4606.54 today, September 21st, 2021. Enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.